The fact that we ride as many of the parks in Perth as we can. So obviously we want them to be built properly, well not properly, but not have some issues that older parks have had.
Yeah, we ride a lot, and we also both we work within skate parks and all that, so we're going to a lot of skate parks a lot of the times, and I think we just want to make sure that a new park that's being built has, you know, our input.
Certain aspects from parks that either haven't been put in yet, so like one specific one was a flat rail, which is an inverse kink that a lot of skate parks don't. I don't think any parks in Perth have that, but a lot of people want to practice that kind of rail. And just things that, because it's an undercover park and there aren't many in Perth, having just a good range of different obstacles for, you know, someone to ride on a rainy day or a hotter day. You know.
This is a first for Perth. The only undercover skate park I know of within the Perth region is Leederville, and that's an old roof. It's practically not waterproof for sure. So to actually have like an undercover skate park, so
it's gonna be so good.
Because we usually go ride car parks, so
yeah, you get kicked out.
It'll be great to actually ride a spot that is made for riding. So.